Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can clean your C drive easily. So I will show you guys the two effective solution that you need to apply to clean your C drive. So first open up your file explorer, and here you can open up your C drive. And now here, if you want to find the large file, click on the search box you are seeing and just type the size and just type this symbol. And if you type the gigantic, then it will give you the file that is bigger than the 4 GB. And if you type the huge, then it will give you the file that is 1 to 4 GB. And if you type the large, then it will give you the file that is the 128 MB to 1 GB. And if you type the medium, it will give you the file that is 1 MB to 128 MB. So guys, this is the method you can find the large file easily and you can delete them easily. And this is the very effective solution to delete the large files on your PC. So the next solution is you can open up your any browser, and here in the Google search box just type the tree size free. After that, hit the enter and now open up the first website, which is the find space hogs with tree size free gem software. So once you open up this website, you will see the option of free download. So you can just click on this free download option, and then the setup of the T size will start downloading. So you can simply install it into your PC and then go to the Windows search and type the T size free and just right click on it and run as administrator. And now click on the yes option. So once your T size was open, click on the select directory and now just select your C drive. So once you select your C drive, now it will start calculating your C drive, and it will also calculate which folder will consume the most of your space in your drive. So after that, now you can go to the folder, and here you will see this folder public is consumed the 656 MB, which is not big, but this above folder, which is the GC, will consuming the 26.4 GB, so which is the very large. And if I can open it here, you can delete the folder that you are not using. So here the also folders that are the useless folder, so you need to just delete these folder and find them one by one and just delete these because you are not using, and this folder will consume a lot of space in your C drive, so you need to just delete this. And guys, these are the two factor solutions you can clean your C drive easily. And guys, if you find this video helpful, so please like it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.